Alright. Second match of the night. We lost 16-12 in the last one. Neat has not been doing very good lately. We're gonna be the joke of the fucking video game world. I'm eating a fucking sandwich.
Alright guys, I'm sorry, but it's real.
Ryan goes and fucking puts on Train.
What's real?
Our worst fucking map of all time.
You know what time it is.
There's no way we're gonna fucking win this match. I'll be fucking shocked. I'm gonna try my damnedest, but...
Sitting duck time, I guess.
Fuck. I don't think it's looking very good for us. I have no fucking sound.
We got him.
Dude, I didn't even move. That kid was shooting at me. I started clicking.
Yo, y'all ever
I don't know
pee
what
and it comes
happened.
out as 2 streams instead of 1?
You see the kind of shit I gotta put
Yeah,
up with?
sometimes 3.
Man, these
What?
fuckers, they talk about the grossest shit.
That just happened to me.
Yo, Garrett, you like to smell
It's
Amy
called the
Schumer's
King's Trail.
vagina.
It's called the King's Trail.
The King's Trail. What do I like, Tony?
To smell Amy Schumer's vagina. Yo, Riley, take this.
Yeah, you King's Trailing?
Riley,
I was.
Riley, Riley,
Yo.
take that.
Alright.
Why the fuck weren't you paying attention? What were you doing?
I was grabbing a coconut LaCroix.
What the fuck, man?
Yeah.
Ah!
We gotta go hard, son.
We're loading.
I'ma go hard.
There's one at the
I'ma
end.
Go home.
Is at the end. Okay, it's like cleared plan.
Oh my god, there's one right there.
He ran up.
Last one left.
That's on the back of the
No.
trains. He's up here.
Jump down.
He's back by the trains. Alright, got me a kill first round and I survived. I like it. I like it all out.
Let's go, Ivy.
Oh, I can do AK armor force up. I love it. Let's do it.
Are we doing a complete reach around?
Yeah.
Guys, I'll be right behind you. I'm just gonna flash this B tunnel.
Okay.
Are we going hard? Like, no stopping.
Yeah, let's
Yeah,
go.
because they're not going to have any guns. Hey, watch corners for pistols. We gotta be careful of.
Nice.
Oh, goodbye.
Go, go, go.
Make sure he
Don't
doesn't have
stop.
my AK.
Two here.
I'm coming with you, Ryan.
Fuck, I'm reloading.
Come
There's
with
two. One in Hell, one in Ivy. Last ones are Hell and Ivy.
Going upper, Ryan.
Okay.
How? How? 55. He'll be connector. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Yeah, he'll be there. Damn.
Yeah, Kobe
He's
Company
connector.
officially
Yeah, it's connector.
in season.
Connector. Back trains.
I see him.
One's lit 55. Nice. That was him. Other guy's full health, I think.
Yeah, they both went back there. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, he ran to spawn.
He's saving the AK.
Good job, Ross.
Good job, guys. I'm gonna throw a decoy Ivy.
Yo, why don't you come over here, kiss the tip.
I'll throw one too.
Fucker right in the pussy!
Never mind.
Hey Ross, let's see that
Maybe I
purple
should
tip.
Snipe you with that, Ryan.
Yo, they hit me for 3.
I'm gonna throw a flash.
Oops, sorry.
You're good.
Just want to kiss you, Riley.
Can we execute?
I
Yeah,
think
we got
so.
A. I think we got A.
Nothing Ivy. One connector.
One
I'll
Hell.
fire connector.
Nice job. That was him. Nice. Ross. Freaking yes, dude.
Oh, hey, on me.
Got him.
I got connector. One connector.
Okay, there is.
Can you pick up my AK? That's on site. You can have it. I just want to.
Where is it?
It's on my body. It's on bomb.
Got it.
I don't know where he went.
Yo,
I don't know where my
AK's got
pistol
so
went. There
much
it is.
money. Yo, my AK is worth $50 now.
Sell it.
I like my AK.
All right, they're gonna have weapons.
All right,
They've
I'm
been
peeking
saving,
that
right?
mid area.
No, they didn't save last round, did they? If Ryan gets a peek, we'll go down the ladder room.
I'm flashing B.
That is a good plan, Ross.
Whoa!
Nothing came out. What?
You sound like a little kid. Nothing came out. Like you're trying to poop or something. You know?
Yeah.
Got one on site, it looks like. Oh
Thing
shit.
moves. We gotta get in
130
there.
right by bomb train. Behind you.
Fuck, dude.
One on top of you, Russ. We're all on top of you.
Damn it, Pen.
I would save that.
We really need that round to fuck their money. We're bad at that though. We never really get that going very well. It's fucking kind of a thing.
Damn, they all lived. That sucked.
Now the game's gonna go back, forth, back, forth, back, forth.
All looking for.
We really need to take the next round. But I don't think I have any money. We may have a little bit of money here.
Here we go. No! Oh man. Damn it. I'm screaming.
Yo, all good.
I can buy Galils for anybody. I have
Party all party.
7,000. Okay, never mind.
And I can't use the Galil.
What the fuck is Garrett doing?
Talking to the enemy. Getting in their heads.
One at the end. Over there. Red triangle. Oh, two back there. Wait, two back there. They're spotted. One more back there. Yo, come bring bomb day.
You sure? Should I fake? Should I go B?
Oh my god, are you serious?
Thank you, Tony.
I got you.
There's one right below me.
Sorry, Garrett. We can kill them all here.
He's right to your
Plant the
left,
bomb,
Tony.
son.
Right,
Right to
plant
your
up.
left, Tony. Right to your left.
Yep.
He's pushing out. Riley, he's back train. Your right train. You know what I'm saying?
Tony's right to your left.
Riley, there's only one guy left. Or,
I was gonna get to where I could peek that
Yeah.
bomb if I had to. I only had 8 HP.
I wasn't sure if he was gonna loop, Rye.
I know. I just heard him. I just wanted to let you know.
Appreciate it. Appreciate the call out. Because I was looking the other way and then you were right. He did pop out and say spaghetti.
There were so many on B last time. I think it's really easy to rotate A. I think a lot of teams stack B. Nice, nice. Take that.
I got.
Connector probably.
Here.
One back of train, lit 30. He's heading towards CT.
One on site, one on site.
Got
Nice
it.
job,
Yeah.
guys.
I didn't even get most eliminations, I don't think.
And we need to buy.
Oh, that was
I
For
probably
Kern.
could've used one.
unless you
Ryan,
want it,
you-
Ross.
Ryan, do you want this?
You can keep it.
Garrett, there's an AK on the ground.
Thank you. You have to do that.
We got money.
I'll loop back around with you guys.
Got one here.
Nice.
He's up here. He's up here, Ross. You just climb the ladder.
Which site you guys go to?
There's another guy down here. There he is.
I'm going, I'm going, I'm going. Yo, he's so lit. He's so lit. He's right around that left train.
He's
Riley,
done,
that
he's
left
done.
Train.
He's down.
Okay.
I fired behind you.
He's connector.
Exact movement.
He's down. He went up. Oh no, no, that was our teammate.
I don't know why I'm hunting this guy.
Riley, you want to watch our up, back?
Right.
I don't know how to say that. Or yeah, Ross is up here too. Good job. Ross, do you still have hatred for this map?
Yes.
Yeah. I wasn't sure if it faded with time.
No.
Damn,
One
Ivy.
an Ivy.
You're good on that
Okay.
side of the train, Ryan.
Ivy's looping around, I think.
There's one in heaven.
Yep, I got you on that.
Heaven just saw you, or
Fuck.
left just saw you.
Oh my
Oh my
god,
God.
Garrett.
Fucking leapfrog. his
What's up,
ass.
baby? What's up?
Garrett,
Got them both.
Connector.
Turn
fuck
around
you.
backside.
Fucking guy jumped out, killed himself.
Garrett.
I got 10 HP, 11 HP.
Yo, this is Garrett's round, yo.
No, it ain't. No, it ain't.
It is.
He-
Get the
he-
ace.
he
I'm
committed
counting
suicide.
it. I'm counting it.
Wait, are we still doing that? What was the thing we were doing?
Kobe's.
Oh shit.
We're still doing it.
Have we been keeping track?
Oh, he's in the spawn. Got an AK.
I don't think anybody's gotten any since Tony's been on.
Yeah.
I was trying.
Ross got one.
Alright.
Wait, wait, what? I have 1 million.
Not since I was on though.
Garrett.
Yeah, no, I had like 4 while you were on.
No, you didn't. You had 4 and then
I got
got
money,
on.
Riley.
No, no, I had
I just
4
didn't
while you
wanna
were
waste
on.
it.
No, you
I
didn't.
had 7 that entire night.
Really?
Yeah.
Then you have 3 while I was on, because you had 4 before I got on.
Okay, whatever.
Damn, what was that flash about?
I've been flashing that all the time.
That was last month, by the way. I'm just
Yeah,
letting
they
you
won't
guys
be up
know.
there.
Yeah, we're
Right.
still doing it though. You little asshat.
Get out of here, dude. Salty pretzel having ass.
That's rough.
All right.
Thank you, dude.
5
Whoever
to 2.
sniped that guy, fucking
Let's
hell
go.
yeah. There's one behind us.
I have 999 kills in my op. I'm just trying to get one more.
Nice job.
I got one behind you guys. Last one. He's upper, like, yeah, you know.
Ooh, I gotta run.
No.
I don't know how we're
Somebody
winning this
take
game
this.
so fucking good. We're fucking
I ain't want
crushing.
that.
M249 Ryan does.
Who bought an
Ryan.
M249?
What?
I
What?
did it on accident. I hit F1 instead of 1.
One Ivy.
I'm Ivy.
Yep.
Oh, one Ivy for sure.
Nice. One more coming to you, Tony. I'm gonna try and lower his health a little bit.
Yeah, because I'm super lit.
Got my 1000th kill.
Never mind. He's in their spawn. We should go A.
I picked one B.
A's clear.
Yeah, I picked one A.
A's clear as a beer.
Up or sitting CT.
Ah, yeah, he's sniper nest or whatever you want to call that.
Oh, Garrett. Garrett,
That was
Riley, I mean,
Riley.
Riley, you scared me. I thought he lined
Yep.
you up too.
Riley, sniper nest up top. Yep, up there. Last guy. Last guy is above there. Ross, above. Yep.
I know.
Nice job.
Ryan. Ryan with the M249.
Got him.
Ross, let me go in and flash it. He's right on that corner.
Got one on top. There's one on the backside of that blue train that's
Gone.
lit.
Got him. Last
Nice.
one CT. I think the last one's CT area.
He's on the back of train.
Dude, you almost killed me with that.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that literally whizzed right by my head.
Funny, he leaped off, like trying to jump away, and
Mhm.
I just shot him in the back midair. and he-
Tony, what you got?
What you need?
What you got on your P2?
Dude, I haven't
I
been
just hit
using
8.
it.
I just hit 850.
Rest no.
I'm only
875.
740, dude. Ryan, I got
Yeah.
you. I'm backing you'll play.
Oh,
Flashing, flashing.
I'm dead.
2 rushing up. 2 rushing
Nice
up
job,
B.
guys.
2 rushing up B.
I could get a shot on him.
Right, I got drop if you want to come down here.
Alright.
Ryan, I think that's the first time I've ever been glad to flash you.
There was one up. Oh, one on my X. One was up near drop.
One's coming connector?
Shit. Yeah, I know.
Oh my god.
And 249.
Last guy is our spawn.
Yeah, he's saving my out.
Ross,
Thanks, man.
I got you, boo.
I wish there was like some way to heal up your armor.
Yeah, I'll tell you how to do it if you show me where that AKM is at.
Ryan, how
Tony.
many rounds have you had that?
Huh?
I'm a squeezy nutsack.
Oh,
I
the
like it.
M249 a while.
Buddhist pistol.
They're live, son.
Oh my god, there's one pushed up.
Yo, I hear him in connector.
Oh my god, lucky I saw him shot. He's lit 60.
Yo, who is that candy pistol?
Yeah. One health.
CZ in
Fuck.
hell.
I got him.
God,
I got him.
Ryan.
Nothing to worry about.
Ryan has
Fuck.
put that down since Ross accidentally bought it.
I'm having a good time.
This is good.
All those AKs.
A lot of AKs.
Somebody buy me auto sniper. Somebody buy me auto sniper.
Come on, man.
AKs.
We don't need to bring that in.
Garrett, what happened to all your skins?
Here they come. They're coming up B
Yeah,
side.
one's Ivy. One's Ivy.
Rushed Ivy.
Got him.
One connector.
Riley, watch your back. They're coming up.
Bomb did
Hey.
not get Planey's connector.
Riley, they're gonna be coming behind you.
Coming from T-spawn.
Yo, there's one left for 54 connector. Left for 54 connector. Last one. Gotta get that gun back.
Oh,
This last
You
round
gotta
of
get
half,
that gun
dude.
back
This
from
last
me.
round of half.
Gotta get. Oh. Okay.
Oh no, it's not. Oops.
You son of a bitch. Dude, I would have finished that. And I gotta buy my own, and it's not even gonna have jewels on it.
What gun?
M249.
M249.
The one I picked up?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've had it for like 6 rounds.
Oh, damn. Sorry,
Garrett, what
man.
happened to your AK?
It's in my inventory. I took it off.
Fine.
I don't know.
Oh my god. One between the two trains.
Two out there. Damn. They're down there. Drop.
Ryan. Fucking pushed his shit in.
Behind train.
Oh, nice shot.
Oh,
Damn.
Dude,
Good
nice
try.
shot though, Russ.
fucking A. I didn't even get to shoot that auto sniper I bought. I got immediately 1D'd.
I pushed the M249 down his throat for you.
Dude, you pushed it on the top of his head. He pooped those bullets out.
Alright, bro, I got B with you.
Alright.
Somebody get Kit.
Right. I got kid on A.
That's why I love
Go
you.
Come
mid.
on. I'm
Connector
gonna
to
go
A.
lower.
That's why I love
I'm
you.
gonna
That's
go
why I
be with
love you. That's
Kit.
why I love you. That's why I love you.
Somebody gotta go Ivy.
They're on
Okay.
A. Ooh, dinked big time.
I'm out. 10 HP.
I only got 10 HP too.
Oh
One
my
Ivy.
god, there's one
Ivy.
in ladder room.
There's one Ivy.
Ivy's lit. Ivy's down.
One health.
Riley's pushing
Hell's
us.
down.
Yeah, let's push them together.
Diffuse.
Nice.
You got kit?
You got it?
Yeah, I got a kit.
Wait for the music.
I ain't playing that.
First round kit.
Nice.
No,
Nice.
no time, by the way. No time, by the way. No time, by the way.
Dude, you got so got.
No time, by the way.
No. Yeah, he must have loved it. Dude, he's gonna be going to sleep with that, with those words right there.
Yeah, you sure?
Hey, thank you.
There's one in
Thank
connector. Or, sorry, he's gonna be dropping down ladder room any second now. There you go.
Thank you for all the assists, guys. Almost dead.
Up. I see him.
Nice job, guys.
No range on that damn UMP.
Ryan, I got some special for you. It's on the ground for you, buddy.
They're gonna come B.
Yeah, they got it. Let's stack B.
Oh, that is. I gotcha. There's a free op on the ground.
Yeah, I grabbed it. I just wanted you to have it for the final round. Saved up for it.
Nice. Tony, I'm going in.
I got
Balls
your
out.
back. Damn it, Garrett.
That was a headshot.
You stole it right from me.
That was a headshot. Tony.
For us.
Damn, I feel like
We finally had a good game, and it's on the. Yo, who'd have thunk Train would have.
Yo, I got him all off the ladder with this.
He's over by me.
Yo, let me know where the last
Yo, he's
guy
on top
is.
of me.
I need it.
He's on
I
top.
need it. I need it. I need it. No.
Oh my god, he's lit 90.
Nice.
Well, I can't fucking believe it.
Garrett.
We fucking pooped on
Yeet.
52.
Speculum case.
Fuck.
My favorite.
Alright. Let's
Yo,
do a
Tony,
combo.
you